Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will talk about how you can earn online on Fiverr. Fiverr is now the world's largest marketplace for people to make money selling small services known as gigs. What you offer could be absolutely anything from writing and translating, social media posting, playing pranks, teaching to create music, voiceovers, and short video clips for people are all around the world. The default price is $5, hence Fiverr, but you can attach extra services to gigs for more money. While it might not seem like much, but it can quickly add up, and there are plenty of examples of people making really good living from the site. The key is to get a system in place which minimizes the time spent on each gig. But there is another way to profit even more from Fiverr for potentially far less work. How? By simply reselling gigs elsewhere. For example, find a decent logo designer, then reply to jobs on Upwork or even local class fields. A $5 can easily become a $50 plus, and it's repeatable. Just check out your designer that they are happy with this. If you're not interested in selling at all, there's so much good stuff you can get done for yourself. Have a browse and get inspired. Another topic is review music for money. If you love music, make it your business by reviewing unsigned bands and artists online for cash. Where this slice the pie. It can take a while to build your reputation, but some users of the site have said that they earn about €40 a month. This may not sound like much, but if it's something you enjoy, then it shouldn't be hard work, and it is another thing for your CV. Money you earn will be in US dollars, but anyone can sign up and review. To get started, head over to Slice the Pie and now, or read our quick guide for more information. Another topic we have here is today is how you can sell your notes. If you don't mind sharing your notes with other students, it's a great way to generate some extra cash. There are sites out there you can upload your notes to along with your price, and then when another student downloads them, you get paid. Most of these sites like Nexus Notes and Stuvia are free if you to list your notes, but tend to take a cut of your profit in order to handle the marketing etc, so that you don't have to go out there and promote your notes yourself. You will most likely have to upload PFDs, but it's worth it for the return, and you can submit handwriting notes, but you're likely to make more money if they're typed up. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.